Today we're going to take you guys through a 2026 Sea Ray 290 SDX, one of the all-time best sellers here in the state of Florida for Sea Ray. We'll take you through the options, equipment, and point out a few of the reasons why this boat deserves your attention. My name is Brian McGlenn, and we're standing here on the back of the Sea Ray 290 SDX. Starting with the engine power, this boat's powered with the twin 250 V8 Mercury outboards with joystick steering and all the great features that come along with that we're all used to. Here along the back, this boat was outfitted with the rear loungers, so you can outfit this boat in two different versions. You can do a flat bench, a sun pad, or you can do these loungers, which is a nice touch and is my personal preference. Very comfortable storage, cup holders in the middle. As we walk through, freshwater washdown, stereo control, sea deck here on the swim platform to provide a lot of traction as you're boarding the boat, but also looks really sharp at the same time. As we step into the cockpit, this boat is all about maximizing space. So you'll see wraparound seating here along the port side, cup holders all the way around. Sea Ray has extreme attention to detail, beautiful, rich upholstery, grab handles. We have an insert here for a cockpit table that has dedicated storage. And then to maximize space even more, both of these backrests on port and starboard side do flip around to create more seating for your guests. Lots of storage throughout the boat as well, off to port and starboard side. Every seat opens. Same thing on the port side. This boat was outfitted with a nice prep station, storage underneath, and a little chiller box up on top. We have the upgraded sports tower providing ample shade. And then as we work our way forward off to the port side, we have the upgraded vacuum flush head, sink down below, two seats facing forward, and then here at the helm we have the upgraded Simrad 12-inch display for all of your chart plotting, navigation, engine data, and a whole lot more. Easy to access switches, Fusion audio. We have the upgraded Mercury throttle binnacles. We have active trim in these, along with our Mercury joystick with Skyhook, autopilot, and a lot of other great features. Working up to the bow, you'll notice the space on the boat just continues. So we maximize the space up here by bringing the beam forward, creating ample seating with armrest on both sides, storage under all the seats, and then easy access here to your windlass anchor. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn here at MarineMax in Stuart. We'd love to take you through this boat more in detail. Feel free to give us a call at 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.